Hey there, welcome back to the Feeding Your Fam Kitchen, where I'm sharing with you simple recipes that you can share with your family and friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a really easy ham and cheese frittata. So all you'll need for this recipe is a dozen eggs, salt and pepper, some sharp cheddar cheese, an onion, and some ham, of course. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with a dozen eggs. Now, this is not a recipe for one person, unless you can consume a dozen eggs, but I usually make this for my family of 6, and it feeds all of us perfectly for an easy breakfast. Just beat those eggs until they're nice and all mixed in, and you don't see any more big lumps of the yolk or of the egg white. Your eggs will start to become a little bit foamy, and that's exactly what we're looking for. Okay, and then just to lighten the eggs up a little bit, I'm just gonna mix in a 1/4 cup of water. It will just help to keep those eggs a little bit more moist while they're baking. Then just season with some salt and some pepper. I'm doing about a teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Okay, and then we're gonna put about a cup of sharp cheddar cheese right into there. So I'm just gonna grate this up real quick. And then I'm just gonna add that right into the bowl with those eggs. Just give it a quick stir. Okay, I've got my eggs all mixed up. They are perfect, they're bubbly, they're all blended in, and the cheese is right in there. Now we're gonna head over to the stove where we're gonna saute up the onions and brown up the ham just until it's nice and warmed through. All right, let's head over there for the next step. I've got a 12-inch oven-safe skillet heating over medium heat. Now you wanna make sure you have an oven-safe pan because we're gonna start it on the stove and then we're gonna finish it in the oven. I'm gonna start with a tablespoon of butter just right into this pan. Let that melt down, and then I'm gonna saute those onions and cook the ham at the same time, just for a few minutes. You're gonna scrape it up off the bottom, push the cooked stuff towards the center, let the uncooked egg roll into those spots where the cooked egg has just been pulled from. Now, we're not gonna be cooking the eggs all the way through it this time. I'm just gonna let it kind of scramble for a few minutes and pull it away from the sides with my spatula. And then we're gonna pop it in the oven. I've got that going at 350 degrees, and it will cook in there for another 20 to 25 minutes until the eggs are cooked through. Okay, that looks good. Let's get this in the oven. See you later, buddy. My frittata is all done. The top is golden. I can see that the cheese is all melted and bubbly, and it smells amazing. I can't wait to slice into this. Now to serve this, I usually just slice it like I'm slicing a pizza or like a pie, just into little triangle slices. Let's dig in. I hope you give this easy ham and cheese frittata recipe a try. For more family-friendly recipes, please subscribe and follow along, or click the playlist for more easy dinner ideas for you and your family. I'll see you next time. Ooh, I can't wait to give this a try. It smells so good. Perfect.